you can practice love with anybody. What do we say in the Western dating world? You can only practice love with people if they look like a fashion model or a movie star, or if they are cool enough, or if they drive a certain kind of car, or if they know such and so people. We have a lot of criteria for when we can love somebody or not. In Tantra, we say, I can practice with anybody. My mentor said, my dating coach, he said, I treat a homeless person on the bench the same way I treat a fashion model. I said, wow, I want to be like that. I aspire to be like that, because I still would treat them differently, and I would aspire to not. So anyway, in Tantra we have practice partners, which means I can practice love with you. You don't have to be someone I'm going to end up with. You probably won't be. Of all the people we meet, how many do we actually ever end up with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 300,000 we meet, however many. So tonight we want to be practice partners. We're in a laboratory. We're all practicing with each other. You might not be the right sex, the right this or that, age, whatever. Actually, we have a pretty, everybody looks like they're on the same tribe here tonight, but sometimes we have some outliers, and we're all just going to practice. So even when we do more intimate type workshops, we have practice partners, because we don't feel like we have to be making any kind of commitment for any kind of relationship to just practice love with each other.